Hello everyone, welcome to Blissful Country Crochet. So in today's video we will be making this flower coaster. So let's begin. To make the coaster we will be needing a DK weight or Aran weight yarn and a 5mm crochet hook. So now let's begin. To start the coaster we will be doing a slip knot as I just showed you. And then we will be doing 4 chains. So that's 1, 2, 3 and 4. So once you made the 4 chains, you'll go in the first chain and then do a slip stitch to close it. So that's our magic circle now that we have done. So now we will go ahead and start the row. So we'll do chain 3. So that's 1, 2 and 3. Which will be counted as a double crochet. So then we will do around 23 double crochets in this circle. So you will go ahead and then do another double crochet. So to do the double crochet is you yarn over, insert your hook in the hole, then yarn over and pull through. Then yarn over and pull through the first 2, and then yarn over, pull through the second. So that's how you do double crochet. So you will continue doing that till you reach 23 double crochets. So now we have completed the round 1 with 23 double crochet, and then one of the chain 3 will be considered as the 24th. So now we will go ahead and find the top chain and then go ahead and do a slip stitch to close the round. Now what we will do is basically we will go ahead and then chain 1, 2 and 3, and then we will count 1, 2, and in the third double crochet we will go ahead and do a single crochet. So now we will chain 1, 2, 3 and then count 1, 2, 3, and in the third one double crochet we will go ahead and do a single crochet. So we'll do chain 1, 2, 3, then count 1, 2, and in the third double crochet we will go ahead and do a single crochet. So we will continue doing this till we reach the end of the row. So we've reached almost the end of the row. So in the last one where we started the chains, you will go ahead and do a slip stitch to close the round. So now what we will be doing is you will be counting. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you basically made 8 gaps. So now what we will be doing is we will be chaining 1, 2 and 3. Then now we will go ahead and do 1 double crochet. So that's 1. So this chain 3 will count as a double crochet. So that's 1 double crochet, and then we'll do chain 2, and then we'll go ahead and do 2 double crochet in the same place. So that's 1, and then this 2. Now we will do a chain 1, and now in the second chain 3s that we made earlier, we will go ahead and do 2 double crochet. That's 1, then there's 2, and now we will chain 2, 1, 2, and then we will go ahead and again do this 2 double crochet in the same place. So that's 1, and then that's 2, and now we will chain 1. So we will continue doing this till the end of the row. I'll do this row with you. So that's 2 double crochet in the next chain space. So that's 1, 2, and then we will chain 2, and then we'll do 2 double crochets here. So that's 1, and then that's 2, and now we will chain 1. So now again in this next chain 3 space we will go ahead and do First 2 double crochet, that's 1, then that's 2, and then we'll do chain 2, 1, 2, and again do 2 double crochet in the same space, that's 1, and that's 2, and then we will do a chain 1. So yeah, we'll keep doing this till the end of the row as I explained. So in the last, we won't do a chain 1, we will find the first 3 chains that we had created and go ahead and do a slip stitch to close the round. So we just basically made the slots. So now in the last row, we will go ahead and what we will do is we will do 8 double crochets in these cluster in between these 2 double crochet that we made it. We will do 8 double crochets. So we will go ahead and do the first one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then now, if you see in between those 4 double crochets cluster, there will be a space. We will go ahead and do a single crochet. So if I show you, so there is these 4 double crochet clusters and there's a space in between, if you see, so it's easy. So again, I'll show you. So we will go ahead and do in between these 4 double crochet clusters, we will go ahead and do 8 double crochet. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and in between those spaces we will go ahead and do a single crochet. So we basically will be doing the same pattern. So again, between the 4 double crochets we will do 8 double crochets in the space, and in between those spaces 1 single crochet. So I'll do it again. So that's 8 double crochet in this 4 double crochet space. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we've done the 8, and then in the space we will go ahead and do a single crochet. So if you can see, the flowers are kind of forming. So we'll continue doing this till we reach the end of the row. So we've reached the end of the round. So we did the single crochet. Now we will go in the first double crochet that we had made and do a slip stitch. So, and then we will go ahead and then cut the yarn and then weave it. I'll just show you how to do that. So we just need to weave this in. So we'll go at the back of the thing and keep weaving in like this. Same with this, we'll just pull this and then weave all this in, and your thing is done. So I weaved everything in. You can see this is how the coaster will look like after blocking and steaming a bit. It will look even nicer. So there we go, we made our flower coaster. Hope you really enjoyed the tutorial. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop them in the comment section. Thank you so much.